How to log into your Binance account. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is go to the any web browser and type down the binance.com in the search address bar. Now, once you are inside the official website of the Binance, then all you have to do is look for the login or sign in option available in the top right corner of your screen. As you can see, login option available there. Simply tap on it and you'll be navigated to the login section of Binance. Now here, all you have to do is enter the email address associated with your Binance account. Then simply tap on the next option available there and you will have to enter your password and you will be successfully logged into your Binance. But if you have logged in or created the account using Google or Apple or Facebook or any other social media platforms, then you'll have to tap on it and you'll be logged in easily. So that is it. After the two-factor authentication of the Binance, you can use your Binance account on desktop. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.